Hello everyone and welcome to EduTab. All the libraries, university campuses and social media platforms where the aspirants for various competitive examinations they gather together, they share their ideas and their new endeavors, their new initiatives. The discussions are abuzz in all these places about the upcoming APFC examination. That is the examination for the post of Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner in the EPFO organization, and this exam is going to be conducted by UPSC very soon. So many of us aspirants, we have already decided that we are going to prepare for this exam, but still we are not very much clear about the pattern of this exam. What is the what are the different papers that are going to be there? What are the different stages that are going to be there in the exam? So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the stages, about the expected pattern, about the papers and the marks of all these stages that we can see in the upcoming examination. But before proceeding ahead, I would like to tell you about the comprehensive guidebook for the Assistant Provident Fund Commissioner examination at EPFO, and this guidebook has been developed and designed by EduTab specifically for all the queries, A to Z information that you need for cracking this examination. You will find in this guidebook. You will find the information about EPFO, you will find the information about APFC post, job profile, the salaries, the perks, functions and responsibilities that you're going to have if you are an APFC officer. Then about the exam itself, what are the stages, what is the pattern of the exam, right? How many papers are going to be there? What is the syllabus for the exam? How can you prepare for all the topics in the syllabus? And what has been the trend in the previous year's examinations? Each and every information, whatever you can think of as a student who is preparing for this exam, you will find your answers in this comprehensive guidebook. Then how to get this guidebook? You can get this guidebook absolutely free of cost, no costs involved. Click on the description box and you will find a link there. In the link, go through the link and you will find the place where you can download this guidebook from absolutely free of cost. And this only has been designed and developed by EduTab for all of you aspirants, so that you do not need to go anywhere. You do not need to scout through YouTube or any other sources for finding information about this particular examination. All this information is available in only a small guidebook that is in front of you on your study table, and you whenever you want, however you want, you can go and find out any information about this exam, right? So do not wait, pause the video, go to the description box, download this guidebook and then come back and resume the video. Okay, so now let us talk about the pattern and stages that we are going to see in the APFC examination. So first of all, this exam will be held in two stages by UPSC. The first stage is the recruitment test and the second one is your interview, right? So the recruitment test is going to be a written examination. In this examination, you will find 120 questions, and these 120 questions will be answered in 2 hours. So we expect that you will be getting 2 hours and you will have to answer 120 questions in 120 minutes. And the last examinations, they were of various marks, like in 2015-16 it was the total maximum marks was different. Prior to that, the total maximum marks was different, but we expect this year that the total maximum marks will be 300, right? So 120 questions and 300 total maximum marks, and you will have a negative marking and negative penalty of 1/3 of the marks allotted to the question if you answer the question incorrectly, right? So the negative marking is going to be there. The total number of questions are going to be 120, we expect it to be that, and the total marks are going to be around 300, right? So this is the expectation looking at the recent trends for the examinations which are conducted for the posts in EPFO, like the recently conducted AO examination. There also we saw the similar kind of pattern, right? So this is the paper number 1, recruitment test, objective type paper, 120 questions. You will get 4 options. You will have to choose the correct option, and if you answer it incorrectly, you will get a 1/3 penalty, right? Then comes the interview stage. The candidates who are gonna clear the cutoff for the recruitment test, then they're gonna be called for interview. And in the interview stage, you will be scoring out of a maximum of 100 marks, and the minimum marks for each category are already stipulated. For the unreserved category, the minimum marks that you can get is about 50. Right, for OBC it is about 45, and SC, ST and physically handicapped candidates, it's about 40. So these are the minimum marks, and the better your interview goes, the higher the marks you can score out of 100. Okay, so your marks are gonna be calculated in RT, your marks you're gonna score in interview, and the final result, the merit list that will be prepared, will be on the basis of the cumulative marks that you score in both the 2 examinations, right? In both the stages, 75% weightage is given to the recruitment test and only 25% weightage to the interview. So the better you perform in the recruitment test, higher chances you have for going through into the merit list. Okay, so only interview is there having a weightage of 25%. It is only to judge your personality, only to judge your attitude, and most of your selection depends upon how well you do in the recruitment test. So whatever marks you score out of 300, we're going to multiply it by 3, and then we are going to add the marks of the interview, and finally you will be scoring out of the total marks, right? So this is the pattern. This is the various stages that we expect in the upcoming APFC examination. So I hope you enjoyed this video, right? The syllabus of the EPF examination is already also I have mentioned it here. This is the syllabus that was mentioned in the previous notification, and we expect the similar kind of syllabus the next time as well. Okay. So these are all the information that I wanted to convey in this short video. But if you want to gain all the information about the APFC exam, we are also conducting the domination workshop, where we are going to teach you about the 6 steps that you can follow in your strategy, in your preparation for the APFC examination. Only limited seats are available in this workshop because we cater to each and every student personally, and all the queries that you have, they are answered specifically by Kuldeep sir. Very proactively, all the queries are answered. Any confusion that you have regarding your strategy, regarding this examination, you can ask and we will answer that to you, right? So if you want to register for this workshop is already free of cost, is not having any charges. So go to the description box, you will find a link and you can register yourself for the workshop. Okay, and in addition to that, we have also launched courses for the APFC. In the description box again, you can go and check out the courses. There is a master pack, a test series plus course, and test series course. The test series plus course is basically for those aspirants who are UPSC aspirants who have read about general studies but not about the specific subjects, technical subjects like accountancy, labor laws, industrial relations. So all these subjects, they can be covered here, right? In the test series, you are only getting the test series for all the different components. Okay, so again, go into the description box, you will find the links for these courses as well, and then you can go and check out them, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please do like this and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We provide you content, a very good content for all the various examinations that you prepare for. And with this, give me the permission, and पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए. जय हिंद and जय भारत.